Hey guys, Shab here back with a brand new video. Today I'm going to be showing off a new product. Today I just bought this new microphone. This is a HyperX Quadcast. So made by HyperX of course. And first of all we are going to unbox this. So while unboxing this, the most common thing you will see is that it's pretty solid. It looks premium, it feels premium. After all, the price is quite expensive. So if I just take off this cover, ouch, oh I tore it. Here we go. If I take off this cover, you get this black box. Now let's see. Yeah, okay, you can just open this up, which I'll do just now. There we go. Okay, I'm just going to take out the mic. So what do you get in the box? You get these three things. One of them is a thank you card, I believe. Yeah, it's the congratulations card, or you can say. Then there's this support one, so if you have any problems, there we go. And then these are the instructions, which we can take a look in a bit. Now for the product itself, here we go. This is the HyperX Quadcast. It's pretty good looking. It does come with a USB connection, so you can plug it in to your computer or laptop. And one thing it comes with more is this adapter. So if you have a microphone stand which is a bit longer or whatever, you can just use it by using this adapter. So let's just plug this into a USB port. So I have plugged this microphone into a USB port. So if we press this button, there we go, it lights up. So this indicates that the mic is now running. And if you just press this button again, or yeah, it's a touch button, so it indicates that your mic is now muted. Now let's see what do we have over here. So we have a gain control right here. So if you want to change your gain, you can do so. And we also have a polar pattern lid right here. So if you want to change your polar pattern, you can just change it. So how many polar patterns are there? There are 4 polar patterns. There is cardioid, omnidirectional, bidirectional, and stereo. Now let's talk about the specs. So the maximum amount of sample rate, it can record at 48,000 hertz, and the bit rate would be 16 bits. So frequency response is the one which every human ear can hear, 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz, and it's a condenser microphone. Its condenser type is electric, and it has 4 polar patterns: cardioid, omnidirectional, bidirectional, and stereo. Its cable length is about 3 meters, and its connectivity is USB connectivity. Now, why should you buy a HyperX Quadcast? So on my personal opinion, it has great sound. Because of the gain controls and the polar patterns, you can pretty much make it sound as much as you like. So if you want, if you are putting it somewhere away or close to your mouth, so it will work just fine. So that's great sound. It has high quality audio. You will always get better audio from plugging an XLR microphone into a mixer. But this USB microphone is pretty good. So there are multiple smart features, one of them being the gain control, and the other one being the polar pattern control, and one more being the shock mount. So it comes with a built-in shock mount, which we don't really see with most of the microphones. So it does come with a shock mount, which is pretty good. So it can really prevent the vibration around your table, or due to your mouse or a keyboard. So now I'm going to be doing some microphone test. First I'm recording from my mobile currently, and you can hear that audio. I'm going to be reading the same thing, and then I'll record it raw from the microphone at the settings I like, and then I will be editing it in Adobe Audition. Then you can really see how much you can get done with this. So the settings I prefer for this is the gain to be about over here, the second dot, and for the polar patterns, I like it to be on cardioid. So currently it's on, I think that's omnidirectional. So cardioid is this one right here, the third one from the left, right, this one. So let's just put that down. Now I'll read something so we can see how good it is. Drowning. I woke up underwater, deep underwater, and this was my first conscious thought. Cold, dark. Where was the surface? I kicked in all directions, trying to find my way up. I twisted and turned, and then I saw it, a light, dim, pale, and far away. Instinctively, I shot for it, and quickly noticed that the surface around me was growing brighter. That had to be the surface, the sun. Drowning. I woke up underwater, deep underwater, and this was my first conscious thought. Cold, dark. Where was the surface? I kicked in all directions, trying to find my way up. I twisted and turned, and then I saw it, a light, dim, pale, and far away. Instinctively, I shot for it and quickly noticed that the water around me was growing brighter. That had to be the surface, the sun. Drowning. I woke up underwater, deep underwater, and this was my first conscious thought. Cold, dark. Where was the surface? I kicked in all directions, trying to find my way up. I twisted and turned, and then I saw it, a light, dim, pale, and far away. Instinctively, I shot for it and quickly noticed that the water around me was growing brighter. That had to be the surface, the sun. So guys, as you can see, I personally think the HyperX Quadcast is a pretty good microphone. For about $100, or I think it was about 120, it is pretty good. So should you buy it? Yes, you should, if you want to. But there are multiple other microphones which you can buy, so I would recommend check them out also. So what is my final opinion? The microphone, pretty good. The audio quality, pretty good. Features, very good. So I would say if you are looking for a microphone which is quite expensive, but if you're looking for a good one and want to stream or record videos or do anything, Twitch or live stream, so I would recommend our podcast. I would really recommend you to get this. So guys, thank you so much for watching this review. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. Peace.